How to fix iPhone keeps showing Apple logo and turning off. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, you can simply try to force restart your iPhone as this fix works most of the time. So in order to force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button, followed by quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This will clear temporary system crashes and without losing your data. See if that helps, and if not, then you can simply try to put your iPhone into charge for 20 to 30 minutes and then turn it again and see if that helps, as sometimes low battery can cause boot loops. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then you can try to update your iPhone via computer. So connect your iPhone to a computer and then enter the recovery mode and then select the update option you see there, and once you have recovered, you can simply try to reinstall iOS without deleting anything. See if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then it also could be hardware issue. So check your hardware, such as it could be battery issue or logic board problem. So you might need to take your Apple iPhone to authorized Apple Service Center, and further they will help you in fixing your issue. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone keeps showing Apple logo and turning off. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.